के लिए पुष्पा 2 की स्टार कास्ट यहाँ पर आई है दोस्तों, क्योंकि इफी सुन के फ्लावर समझा क्या? इफी फ्लावर नहीं, फायर है। But before we meet them, let's dive into the world of Pushpa 2 with the firecracker of a trailer. Pushpa 2, the stunning, the gorgeous Rashmika Mandanna. And from the house of G3 movie makers, producer Yelamachili Ravi Shankar sir, on stage. हुआ? ये क्या हुआ? Round of applause for me. Great to have you here, Rashmika.
Thank you so much, sir, for having us here.
First of all, how are you feeling being here in Goa after EPs?
Amazing, actually.
Yeah.
First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. Should I speak formally? Should I speak informally?
I don't think the
I'm a
word
little
formal
shy.
exists in Goa.
Yeah?
Goa and formal don't really go together.
Yeah, no?
Be yourself.
Yeah, best. Okay, so I'm like super excited to be in IFFI, like a part of IFFI right now. It's the second time, but no matter how many times I come on this podium, it's just always the best. Thank you so much for having us here, IFFI. Loads of love.
Well, thank you for being here. Sir, how are you feeling here? How are you feeling being here, sir? We're talking about you spending 5 years of your life
Yes,
on the
yes.
sets of this film.
Yes.
So it's gonna be like bittersweet that the film is finally releasing. Your thoughts, your emotions on the release and your journey throughout the entire film.
For me, Pushpa, like first of all, it's it was a blessing that I got to be a part of a film this big and this special. So 7 to 8 years of my life I've been in the industry, but 5 years of that I've been on the sets of Pushpa. So for me, Pushpa is home.
Yeah.
So anywhere in the world I'd go back to Pushpa's set. So for me, it was subconsciously, it just played subconsciously in my mind that, okay, no matter where in the world I go, I would still come back home. So now when, Pushpa 2 is coming out and we're done with shoot and we're done with dubbing and we're here promoting the film, so for me it's like a little heartbreaking, but at the same time there's, I'm just, overwhelmed.
Yeah.
In an overwhelmed state where I don't know what exactly to feel. I feel sad, but I'm so excited for you guys to watch the film. Did you all like the trailer? See?
I really liked it, really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. It looks amazing, it looks grand.
Yes,
It's looking so amazing that there could be Pushpa 3 and again next 5 years of my life to spend on the set again.
See, I really don't mind.
Sir, Abhi said dates. She's already saying she's going to do the third one also.
Oh, no. I'm telling sir, you keep shooting, I'll keep coming on the set, it's fine. Even though I don't have anything to do on set, I'll just come there and sit. But on a serious note, Sukumar sir, who's the director of the film, Allu Arjun sir, who is Pushpa himself, and Kuba sir, who is, the camera DOP of the film, and DSP sir, who's done the music, all of these men are sitting in Hyderabad, working restlessly, like with no sleep, and they're just waiting to sort of deliver the best product to you, for you to enjoy. So yeah, in their absence, we both are here, Ravi sir and I hope we've filled their absence at least 10%.
Back to 1% you guys are out here. We're very thrilled to have you. Ravi sir, आपसे कुछ बताएंगे, I want to ask you as well. बनता ही है, क्यों? हाँ, try करें कुछ करना है यहाँ पर. Try करते हैं. Now we've seen Allu Arjun sir say, flower nahi fire. But now we'd like to see the very beautiful Rashmika say the same iconic line. Did you say the same iconic line for us? In your own way.
Actually there's this line which goes like in Telugu I would say it in a split second, but
in Telugu also?
Yeah?
Yeah,
Is that okay?
Telugu.
Okay, lovely. But before that, might I just add that, all of you might be thinking that Pushpa 2 is like a full action driven cinema, but it is extremely emotional ride. You know, there's like a family story angle to it, which is the majority portion of Pushpa 2. So as much as you guys are waiting for Pushpa's swag and Pushpa's action, also look forward to the emotional drama. So yes, it's going to be a mixture of everything. Yes, and now the dialogue.
Yes. ऐसे बनती है फिल्में, प्लानिंग होती है सब चीजों की.
Chepana sir? Okay. So it's a dialogue in Telugu, okay, because I dubbed in Telugu so it's easier for me. Okay. Pushpa ante పేరు కాదు. Pushpa ante brand.
My God.
Comes in the trailer. The trailer.
We're just melting on this stage, man. Looking at you only. You've just done the trick by just being out here. But ये मतलब आप कुछ और कह रहे हैं? The crowd is saying something more. 1 second, I think they're saying something more.
They're not saying anything.
No, I'm telling you, ये मुझे भरमाएंगे यार. No, they're very brutal crowd. बहुत ही बदमाश है crowd यहाँ पर. क्या क्या कर रहा हूँ मुझसे आप लोग? हैं? ठीक है, बनाना पड़ेगा मुझे.
You're
देखिए.
making this up, guys.
No.
You're making this
All
up.
those people screaming there. So many people screaming. मतलब आपको जो गाना है, और सब. तो अभी आप यहाँ पर आई हैं. और मतलब आप डांस भी करवाएं इनसे अभी.
अच्छा. आपको क्या चाहिए?
मैं तो चाहूँगा कि जो ऑडियंस चाह रहा है वो मैं चाहूँगा. हम थोड़ा गाना बजाएं, थोड़ा आप उसके गाना थोड़ा वो मैं कर लेता हूँ.
आप नाचो तो मेरे साथ.
मैं अगर I think I'll blush and fall
See,
here.
audience asking for it.
Guys, you want to see her dance or not? On the song. Sir, आप भी आइए साथ में हमारे. We will do dance with you.
Sir also has to.
Sir, you have to dance with me. She's the hook step. So we will be the hook steppers behind her. Done. If you have the music, please. I'll take the mic to you.
Listen.
I'm here right here with you, man. Please put on the music. Trust me, nobody's looking at me. They're looking at you right now.